Welcome back, students. Hope you all are fine and enjoying the new phase of learning. We are studying the chapter The Magic Garden. We had completed the reading of the chapter, and I am sure that all of you have understood the chapter nicely. Now it's time for an activity that will be your subject enrichment activity. For this activity, you will get marks out of 25 and it will be included in your result. So, are you ready? Yes. So, it is your activity. In this activity, what you will have to do, you will collect 5 different flowers. That flowers you will put in your old notebook and you will place some heavy books on top of the old book and leave it for some days. After some days it will get dried. Then stick the pressed flowers carefully in your scrapbook. Write the name of each flower beautifully and neatly. So, by following the steps, you will make a scrapbook that will be your subject enrichment activity. Magic garden. I like the magic garden. Oops. Do you know the meaning of magic? Yes, no. Some of you knows and some don't know. So let us go in search of the new words and their meaning. Are you ready? So we are going in search of the words and their meaning. So first word is, what is this? This is the word magic. You can see the picture. Yes, what is this? The magic cap. The magic cap of a magician. So the word is magic and its meaning is illusion. Next one. So what is our next word? Our next word is garden. The magic garden. The chapter is about what? About a garden only. So our word is garden. And the meaning of garden is a piece of playground for growing flowers, fruits and vegetables. You can see the magic garden picture. The picture is from your textbook only. So I hope that all of you have read the chapter from your textbooks. So you are aware about the picture. So what is the word? Garden. And the meaning of the word is a piece of playground for growing flowers, fruits and vegetables. Next word. Who is he in the picture? He is a person who takes care of garden. So he is a gardener. Gardener. The word is gardener and meaning of gardener is someone who takes care of garden. Next word is playground. You can see the picture of the playground. Do you like all these things? Do you want to enjoy in the garden, in this playground? Yes. So the word is playground, meaning an outdoor area for children to play. You know it nicely. It is not a new word for you, but you should be aware the meaning. What is the meaning? An outdoor area for children to play. Next one. Sunshine. Sunshine, you can see the picture, the light of the sun. When it comes in the morning, all the things will be visible because of the light of sun. So the light of sun is sunshine. The word is sunshine and meaning direct sunlight. Next one. Word is golden. You know golden means shining like gold. If something is shining like gold or its color is just similar to gold, then it will be golden. You can see in the picture. Golden. It is the sunshine. Golden sunshine. So word is golden and meaning is shining like gold. Next word. What is this? Oh, a boy is sitting on the moon. Wow. He is in the sky. You can see so many parachutes are there. Clouds are there. And he is sitting on the moon. Moon is smiling. And birds are flying. So, what is this? What is the picture about? It is about dreaming. So, our word is dreaming. And the meaning of dreaming is thoughts that come in mind when you are in sleep. Means when you are sleeping and you are thinking something, then the pictures and the view ideas or thoughts coming in your mind, that are dreaming. Thank you. We will meet again in our next class. Take care. Bye bye.